Today I'll show you how to enable and customize the Smart Sidebar on your Vivo smartphone. Trust me, this feature is a game changer. It makes multitasking super easy and you will wonder how you managed without it. Let's get started. First things first, let's turn on the Smart Sidebar. Open your settings, scroll down and tap on Shortcuts and Accessibility, and in that select Smart Sidebar option. Or you can search for Smart Sidebar in the search bar right after opening the settings. Now just toggle the switch to enable it. You can even enable the show recent apps option followed by the opacity of the sidebar. I mean, you can control it how much you want. That's it. The Smart Sidebar is now active. You will notice a small bar on the edge of your screen. It's your shortcut to smarter multitasking. Now comes the fun part, customizing it to suit your needs. Tap on the Smart Sidebar to open it. You will see some default apps or tools. Long press any app to rearrange or remove it. Want to add your favorite apps? Tap the edit icon, select the apps you use most often, and they are ready to go. Pro tip, add apps you use frequently like WhatsApp, camera, or notes for quicker access. You can even add tools like a screenshot button or screen recorder for extra productivity. The Smart Sidebar is not just about apps. You can use it for split screen multitasking too. Just drag an app from the sidebar to the top or bottom of your screen. It's that simple. And there you have it. The Smart Sidebar makes multitasking, taking notes, or accessing apps so much faster. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Vivo phones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next one.